Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor 400. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Then allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Then got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close all visible ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!